That got me, dude. I can't make it anymore.
What are you guys doing down there? Jesus Christ, all of you fucking here.
It's a tropical forest down here. Yeah.
Holy shit. This is fucking weird. Is this really what you do?
I can't. Oh, man.
Are you serious?
I don't know either. Oh, man. Continue with your shower. We'll entertain.
Are you done, honey?
What's she doing?
From Elmo for a second. Can you put my clothes in the dryer?
Yeah.
Except if there's any underwear in there, don't put those in the dryer.
Why can't I put the underwear in the dryer?
Because they're too delicate for the dryer.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because when I wash them, I have to use the delicate cycle in the washer. So,
Oh, God.
I think there's only one pair. I think there's just a thong in there that you need to look for. No, actually, there's two pairs. There's a pink pair.
Ooh, I kind of want this one. Ooh. Sexy. We can.